Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
You can now enjoy healthy versions of your favorite foods with the DeLonghi Lavenza Air Fry Convection Oven. Create quick, crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Precision heating elements and a built-in fan rapidly circulate hot air evenly around your food. Preheat up to 60% faster than conventional ovens and maintain precise temperatures inside, resulting in 30% less heat off the glass door. The DeLonghi Lavenza Air Fry Convection Oven eliminates the excess energy and heat of a full-size oven. Function and precision are combined with a beautiful design that complements any kitchen. Spacious enough to cook for friends and family, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on your counter. 9 easy preset functions take the guesswork out of cooking every time. Air fry, toast, convection, reheat, pizza, cookies, bake, broil or grill, and keep warm. This versatile multitasker has you covered. An interior light ensures you can monitor what's cooking at all times, and cleanup is always a breeze thanks to the non-stick scratch-resistant interior. Enjoy healthier meals with delicious, crispy results, save time and space, all thanks to the Lavenza Air Fry Oven.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the DeLonghi 9-in-1 Air Fry, Convection Oven, Broiler, and Baker that comes with pizza and cookie presets. DeLonghi says that this 9-in-1 Air Fry Convection Oven delivers quick, crispy results with minimal oil. The brand markets this air fry convection oven as a more compact, energy-efficient alternative to a full-size oven. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Air Fry Oven is a versatile countertop appliance that can do almost everything your range can do in only a fraction of the space. We especially liked that it could air fry and had special settings for cookies and pizza alongside the typical countertop oven features. We could see using an appliance like this to completely replace our toaster and air fryer, or to supplement a normal range for bigger meals. We were especially impressed with how little heat the oven generated, even though we used it for several hours straight. Now the cons. Because the cook time starts immediately after the preheating is finished for most functions, you need to be ready to put your food in the oven as soon as it's heated to the right temperature. We also noticed that it's difficult to get the rack into the lowest position unless the handle on the door completely clears the countertop when opened. The air fryer takes longer than our traditional air fryer to cook, but you don't have to air fry in batches since you have a bigger basket. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Air Fry Convection Oven is a convenient and easy-to-use way to cook most of your favorite dishes. The 9 presets make it simple to put together a meal without giving much thought to temperature settings and cook times. And the large glass door and internal light allows you to check in on your food quickly and easily. It looks sleek and doesn't take up a lot of space or throw off much heat, making it a great option to replace several appliances at once in your kitchen.